Bakit parang magulo ang buhay mo, hindi ka masaya? 3 things. Number 1, kasi ikaw siguro ay overthinking. Isip ka ng isip. You know, it's all about. Maya-maya, rewind ka ng rewind, forward ka ng forward. It's all here. Maya-maya, hindi ka na makatulog, worry ka na ng worry. Because you're operating always from here. We pray in this Mass for the grace to trust God more. If you trust God more, a lot of things you cannot solve in this world. Please just say, sana nga ngayong gabi, bago ka matulog, sabi mo, Lord, sige ha, bahala ka na sa mundo, matutulog na ako. Hey, there is a God. You're not Him. You're not her. Number 2, mga kapatid, bakit di ka peaceful? Bakit hindi ka masaya? Baka dito. You're over-hurting. Hindi ka let go ng mga galit mo, hindi ka maka-forgive, dami kang tampo, dami kang mga sama ng loob, marami kang mga hugot. Ang bigat, kapatid. Be kind to yourself, please. Ano pong hingin natin kay Lord sa misang ito? Lord, give me the grace to forgive. Forgive na lang. Bahala ka na, Lord. Ang hirap mag-forgive, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga taong nakasakit sa akin. O lalo-lalo na yung mga taong napakayabang. I'd like you now to think of any person in your life right now na mahirap tawarin o ugali niya napakatapang mayabang. Okay? You know, the bottom line is this. Mamamatay din yun eh. I'm not asking you, sana mamatay na siya. Hindi. Mamamatay din siya. Mawawala din siya. So what do you do? Magpapa-apekto ka ba sa kanya? No, don't. This is where Christianity comes in. I just pray for that person. He is not God. She is not God. That kind of attitude. Okay, Lord. Everything is passing. Everyone is passing. Everyone is on the way. So don't pray na, sana mamatay siya. Mamamatay siya. No need to ask for that, please. Huwag ka na makialam kay Lord. Huwag ka mag-suggest. No, God has His own time. We cannot take over. We cannot be the ones to decide who lives, who dies. God gave us the life. So, yan po. Pag pinagdasal mo ng isang tao, naka-forgive ka na, magaan na rin. And the third thing is, why are you not happy? Bakit parang walang peace sa buhay mo? Baka ikaw ay over-fighting. Lahat pinapatulan mo. Wala kang pinapalampas. May debate. Ako dapat. May kaaway. Hello. Ang hirap. Huwag naman po. And this is where you say, Lord, give me humility.